My name is Mohan Babu. I have completed Electrical and Electronics Engineering in Sri Krishna College of Technology, Coimbatore. I am a 2019 passed out. After completion of my degree, I was preparing for government exams like past 3 years. After that, I was just waiting for a particular examination. I didn't receive that examination, so that I thought of switching career. So I came to QSpiders in April 15. I was joined as a Java testing. First of all, I attended SQL class, which was taken by Sangeet sir. He only told the importance of presentation. Here in this institute only there is a concept called as presentation, which helped me to regain my communication. During my college days, I was good in communication. After that, there is no one to speak. So this institute, I have seen the presentation concept in this institute only, where I have gained my communication skills back. After that, I have attended Java and manual testing by Chandrasekhar sir. He was so full of positivity only. He encouraged me, he motivated me in every classes he will speak. And after that, Java, which was first final, initially taken by Megwadi sir, and after that handled by Karnika ma'am. After that, day by day, I got interested in every subject, and I started to learn all subjects. And finally, I have placed in Ladera Technology as a Java developer. I thank you QSpiders for creating this opportunity. I am very thankful. Mainly because of the presentation and mocks, I was able to get place.